Which organization has proposed a Build Back Better World initiative to counter China's Belt and Road Initiative? G7. The Government of India has extended the duration of the Stand Up India scheme up to which year? 2025. Bank of Maharashtra has signed an MOU with which bank to boost ongoing developmental initiatives linked to priority sector building in Maharashtra? NABARD. Which one has acquired artificial intelligence AI-based risk and analysis platform Terrafin Labs? Razorpay. Which bank has launched Fedi to help customers with banking-related queries anytime? Federal Bank. Who won the Sparkassen Trophy at Dortmund? Vishwanathan Anand. Which country has reported the first human infection case with the monkey bee virus? China. Which country has test fired its new S-500 air defense missile systems successfully? Russia. What is the rank of India in terms of foreign exchange reserve? Fifth. Which country has unveiled a maglev train capable of a top speed of 600 km/h? China. Central public sector company in the medical industry from which state has applied for COPP WHO GMP certification for 18 Ayurvedic products? Uttarakhand. MLEX has been developed by researchers from which IIT? IIT Ropar. Who penned the book titled The India Story? Bimal Jalan. Which one was removed from the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Liverpool. Which village has been awarded the title of Kerala's first book village? Pirum Kulam